These are all the many changes. These are all the many changes. These are all the many changes in my life. Hello to our 89 viewers, to all the viewers out there. I know you're more than 500 right now. To Shukriya, thank you for joining. To Nadia 88, Ethereal 51, to all the sharers, to all the greeters. Thank you so much, guys. Hello to our 91 viewers. Thank you so much. This hear me out, my friend. I've something to say that's wrong with it. It's a last memory. Try to think back and you see all of those nights we shared, all of those days you were there. I just wanna love you forevermore, and I wanna hold you just like before. And maybe someday we might just run away and we can love forevermore. Thank you, Sherry, Nadia. If I could turn back time, I would have never let you go, and you were still mine. But here I'm crying all alone. All of the love we shared, all of the time we were shared. I just wanna love you forevermore, and I wanna hold you just like before. And maybe someday we might just run away and we can love forevermore. Oh, I'm lost without you. Oh, tell me what should I do now that you're gone? I can't walk alone. Lonely tonight, need you again. I just wanna love you forevermore, and I wanna hold you just like before. Oh, maybe someday we might just run away and we will love forevermore. I just wanna love you forevermore, and I wanna hold you just like before. Oh, maybe someday we might just run away and we will love forevermore. Lord, we just thank you for joining. Shukriya. Why do I from? Thank you for following me, Lana. Lania Al-Biladi, Wahid Wolfram, Talibal, thank you for following. This is some of you, this song you like it very much. Your favorite, everything awesome. This is from TJ Monterde and his wife Casey Talingan. Hello to our night. Di man araw-araw na nagkaliti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tambahan. Away bati natin di na namamalayan. Heto tayo, ngunit sa huli, thank you, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi asan kung balikan man ang hirap luhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong obsesyonan. Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Dito tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Thank you. Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sapagkat ang ating nagkatino, matimay ikaw pa rin, bituin natatagi kong dalangin ng isang siglo. Diyan, tutututu. Thank you so much. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi. Thank you so much, John 2222, for your gifts. Some more, thank you for joining. Tariq Ibrahim 41, thank you for following. Hello to our 95 viewers and to all the viewers out there. We will move on. I know this song. It's one of your favorite. Pakia. Milena. Hello to our viewers. 27 viewers. Harus gimana lagi, mencoba buatmu senyum lagi. Semuanya ku coba, tapi tetap tak bisa. Thank you. Aku tahu dia hancurkan hatimu dan membuatmu tak bisa utuh lagi. Tapi aku berbeda, beriku kesempatan. Tetapi sabarku juga ada batasnya. Sebaiknya aku bisa menyerah juga. Dia masa lalu, aku masa depanku. Dia hancurkan Kusut kembali hatimu, tapi mengapa kamu masih terpenjara bayangnya? Aku sungguh cinta, tapi mungkin kamu yang bodoh. And see guys, hello to our reviewers. Aku tahu dia hancurkan hatimu dan membuatmu tak bisa utuh lagi, tapi aku berbeda. Beriku kesempatan, tetapi sabarku juga ada batasnya. Sebaiknya aku bisa menyerah juga. Dia masa lalumu, aku masa depanmu. Dia hancurkan kamu, kusut kembali hatimu, tapi mengapa kamu masih terpenjara bayangnya? Aku sungguh cinta, tapi mungkin kamu yang bodoh. Zayn, thank you Johnny. Jabat 2013, thank you for following. Hello to our 95 viewers and 40 viewers out there. I know you're more than 500. Dia masa lalumu, aku masa depanmu. Dia hancurkan kamu, kusut kembali hatimu, tapi mengapa kamu masih terpenjara bayangnya? Aku sungguh cinta, aku sungguh cinta, tapi mungkin kamu yang bodoh. Thank you Jan. Aku telah mencoba, kini hatiku berbiara. Thank you for Jan. Amira 88, thank you for joining. I want to break free, thank you. I want to break free. I want to break free from your lies. You're so self-satisfied, I don't need you. I've got to break free. God knows I want to break free. Thank you. I've fallen in love. I've fallen in love for the first time. This time I know it's for real. I've fallen in love. Thank you so much. Yeah. God knows I've fallen in love. This is for you. It's strange, but it's true. Hey, I can't get over the way you let me like you do, but I have to show when I walk on the floor. Oh, how I want to be free, baby. Oh, how I want to be free. Oh, how I want to break free. Thank you to boss. Thank you to Jan 2222. Thank you so much. Star 175. Smile. Thank you Jan. Sami Bashir, thank you for joining. Cora, thank you for sharing Malaysian broadcast. But life is go on. I can't get used to living without you by my side. I don't want to live alone. Hey, guys. Hello to our 89 viewers and to all the viewers out there. Any song, John 222, you want to request? Okay? Any song in mind you have request? May request ka ba, sis? Yung kaya ko lang, ha? Love you 41, thank you for joining. Hello to our 92 viewers and to all the viewers out there. Thank you for tuning in, for staying. Please don't go away. And it is 28 minutes past 10 p.m. here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And it's Mulan thanking you all. You can sing, guys. Anything. I'm just... Do you like Every Voice song? Farhan, thank you for joining. Sige, para sa'yo. Hanapan kita ng kanta. I will dedicate this song to Miss Jan. Ay, hindi yan. Sorry. Kamali. Iba pala yun. Sorry, ha? Bisaya ka ba? O ano? Ha? Nahanap ko pa. Tingnan ko ito kung okay ito. Sana ito na. Ilongga. Mababait yan. Asawa na angkil ko ay Ilongga. Masarap magluto. Para sa'yo to. Magmula na makilala ka, damdamin kong ito sa'yo'y ibang-iba. Paligid ko ito ay anong ganda. Ito ba ang tunay na pagsinta? Kay sarap tingin, minamahal mo ako, minamahal kita. Sana'y lagi nang magkasama. Pagmamahal na kay tabis, ang tunay na pag-ibig. Hello to Jan. Thank you to all the shares. Kapag ako'y nag-isa, lagi kang naalala. Kahapon natin ay saya, lagi kang kasama kahit saan ako magtungo. Alaala mo'y hindi ko malimot. Minamahal kita, ngayon ko nalaman, kailangan pala kita malaman kung saan tutungo. Ang pag-ibig ko ito'y litong-lito. Bakit mahal kita giling, natanong sa'king puso. Pag ika'y nasa tabi, di na ko mapakali. Ang pag-ibig mo, ang inspirasyon ko, at sa tanggapin ang pag-ibig mo. Alaala na iniwan mo, kapag naisip ko, nalulungkot ako. Kausap ka, ako'y namumula. Sabi ng puso ko, ako'y in love sa'yo. Sana'y mahalin mo pa rin ako. Mahalin mo pa rin ako. Palides. Salamat dyan, tututo. Bakit ba ako'y laging ganito? Lagi na lang o di mo pinapansin. Para na lang akong laging sumusunod sa gusto mo. Lagi kitang naaalala kahit di mo ako pansin. Honey, my love, so sweet. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Lagi na lang ako sumusunod sa'yo. Mahal kita at yan ay totoo. Honey, my love, so sweet. Honey, my love, so sweet. Honey, my love, so sweet. Thank you, Jan. Thank you for your gifts. And to all the viewers, to all the shares, thank you so much, guys. Hello to our 97. This also for you, Jan. Lagi ka sa isip ko, o DJ ng aking radyo. Siguro maraming nagre-request sa'yo ng mga kanta paborito ko. Bakit ka nalulungkot, o DJ ng aking radyo? Siguro nagkagalit kayo ng siyota mo. Marami pang darating sa'yo. Isipin mo na lang na marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Isipin mo na lang na marami nakikinig sa'yo. Thank you sa boses na hinahangaan ko. Ikaw talaga ang idol ko. Thank you so much to all the gifters. Salamat sis sa mga gifts. Kupida. I-follow back kita mamaya. Hello to our 96 viewers and to all the viewers out there. Please mo lang thanking you all. This is for you guys. Pag ako'y nalulungkot at nakikinig sa aking radyo, Arabian, salamat at ikaw ang napapakinggan ko. Nawawala ang problema ko. Isipin mo na lang na marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Isipin mo na lang na marami nakikinig sa'yo. Sa boses na hinahangaan ko, ikaw talaga ang idol ko. Hello to another. Isipin mo na lang marami nagmamahal sa'yo. Isipin mo na lang na marami nakikinig sa'yo. Sa boses na hinahangaan ko, kayo talaga ang idol ko. Kayo talaga ang idol ko. Hello, Nader. Thank you. Jabat 2015 star 155 smile. Thank you for joining. Hello to our 98 viewers and to all the viewers out there. I know you are lots. Thank you for joining. You are more than 500 right now. And here we have. Thank you so much. Wow. Thank you. Thank you for I will give you salvo. Thank you, Jen. Thank you so much, Jan. Thank you too. Alam mo, Habibi. Thank you so much for your gifts, Habibi. Yeah, Habibi. Bilal, thank you for joining. You know, Ragged, thank you for joining. Ragged, is it Ragged Alama? Salamat, thank you for following. Monte Black, thank you for sharing your silver test. Hello to our Habitas King, Jan, and thank you so much for the gifts. Hello to our 97 viewers and to all the viewers out there. I know you're more than 100. Thank you so much, guys. And you know, my battery now is only 38% left. Okay, I will give you my last song. Any song in mind? Jan, because you are the gifters. What song do you want me to sing for you for the last song? Okay? Hello to our 100 viewers. I don't. Hello everyone. In my dreams, why? What happened? First, when there's nothing but a slow, flowing green, that your fear seems to hide deep inside your mind. All alone, I have cried silent tears full of pride in a world made of steel, made of stone. When I hear the music, close my eyes, feel the rhythm, wrap around, take care of my heart. What a feeling we will go to the eye of the tiger. Kalidas, thank you for sharing my lives and broadcast. Hanganea, thank you so much, John. Rising up back on the street, did my time to my senses. When the distance now I'm back on my feet, just a man and his will to survive. So many times it happened to pass. You trade your passion for glory. Don't lose your grip on the dreams of the past. You must fight just to keep them alive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of a rival. And the last non-survivor succeeds in the night. And is watching us all down. Eye of the tiger. Face to face, out in the heat. How it comes, staying angry. They stand the odds, they will take to the street for the kid with the skill to survive. Inside the tiger of the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last non-survivor looks the skill in the night. He's watching us all down. Eye of the tiger. Hello, Tutari. Salamat, Sisi. Ano yung last song? Ikaw yung ano? Isis Samira, thank you for joining. Lance, thank you for following. Hello to our 96 viewers. All the viewers of the thanking you all. Thank you for joining. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for staying. Feast, thank you for joining. Thank you so much. Jump to have a nice day. Sis, ingat po. Ikaw din po, salamat sa views mo sa akin. First time ko nang bigyan ng ganun na kadami. Thank you so much. Saan po kayo, ma'am? Diyan. Kasi din dyan po. So, dyan. 7 star 6399702. Salmana. Thank you, Shay. Sa Riyadh ka din. Okay. Lugar pala tayo. Persian Bird Princess, thank you for joining. Hello to our 99 viewers. I have only 30 people. Yes, thank you. Okay. 13 kami. Ba't bumalik itong kanta na to? Spike, thank you for joining. Miss Korea. Our last song. What do you want me to sing for you? For our last song. Okay. Ito na lang. Para sa mga friends ko, mga Christian. Para sa inyo to. Microlearn. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangat mo na ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Nahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Ring makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Guys, this is for my Christian friends. This song is about Christmas. This is for them. Pasko na naman, ngunit wala ka pa. Hanggang kailan kaya ako'y maghihintay sa'yo? Bakit ba naman kailangan lumisan pa? Ang tanging hangat mo na ay makapiling ka. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Ring makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko ay maalala mo pa rin ako. Hinahanap-hanap pag-ibig mo. Kahit wala ka na, nangangarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Ring makita ka at makasama ka sa araw ng Pasko. Sana ngayong Pasko. Mira, Terber Sofia, thank you for following Alder Ego. Thank you for following Tarik. Thank you for sharing. Minapasin kita nang hindi mo alam. Pinapangarap kong ikaw ay akin. Mapupulang labi at matingkad mo ngiti. Umaabot hanggang langit. Huwag ka lang titingin sa'kin, baka matunaw ang puso kong sabihin. Sa iyong ngiti ko'y nahuhumaling, at sa tuwing ikaw ay gagal, ang puso'y tumitigil para lang sa'yo. Jan na Jan pa rin. Jan 222. Thank you so much, Jan. Ano po yung kanta sa Michael Learns? Ano yung title? Mag-alaga. Thank you, Jan. Hindi na nakakalis si Jan. Hello to our viewers, like 4 viewers, and to all the viewers out there. I know you are more than 500. Hotel, gabi pa rin. Present that na sa Thank you, Jan. Kahit malayo ka, meron. Hello to our 94 viewers. This for the sige, good night, Chan. Thank you. Lobat na rin ako, 29% na lang. Rhino, slash 15. Zahid, thank you for sharing my live stream broadcast. Maybe this time. Zahid. Two friends meet again. We're in all the places. Talk about the places they've been. Two sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again and never need for more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it will love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end. It's the same old feeling back again. It's the one that they had way back when they were too young to know what love is real. But somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't moved the flame. It's burning even brighter than it did before. It got another chance when it came again. Maybe this time it will love will fight. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, thank you, and it feels alright. Maybe this time love won't end. She's smiling like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when it right. But something kept her waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it will love and fight. Maybe now they can get more than just friends. Oh, she's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, love won't end. Parrot slash 40. Thank you for following. Salman, thank you for sharing. Mother Ben the Alex Undertale. Thank you for following. Hello to our 98 viewers and to all the viewers out there. Gusto ba ninyo ng kanta ni Angeline for the last minute? We have only 28% battery right now. Ano ba ito ang gaganda ng mga kanta? Pagpatulog habang kayo ay nakahiga while lying down and hear the song. Namnamin nyo. Buhay ko ay sa'yo lamang, hindi magbabago ang isip ko. Tunay ang pagtingin, sanay ganon kahikilig. Kung sakali man ikaw ay mayroon na ibang minamahal. Ito, hello to our 100 viewers. Nawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko. At kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis. Hirap man o makinagpis, baka sakaling mahal mo ba ako? Bedouin Pete, thank you for following. Sakit, di mo ba naunawaan? Pag-ibig na inalay ko sa'yo'y pagkat ako ngayon Mr. Nagmamahal sa'yo't kung sakali man ikaw ay mayroon na ibang minamahal. Kung sakali magtuluyan nang mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko. Kung sakali man magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis. Hirap man o maginagpis, pagka sakaling mahal mo ba ako? Kung sakali man ikaw ay mayroon na ibang minamahal. Kung sakali bang tuluyan nang mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko. At kung sakali man magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis. Hirap man o maginagpis, baka sakaling mahal mo pa ako. Mahal mo pa ako. Good night, guys. Bye. Till next time. Thank you so much. This is Mulan taking you off. Hello to our 96 viewers and to all the viewers out there. I know you're more than 500. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.